Hey lads, TechScanning here. The Galaxy S23 series is almost upon us, which is going to happen on the 1st of February. For the last 6 to 7 months, we have been hearing about the highest variant of the lineup. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the whole new 200 megapixel sensor. And now, finally Samsung unveiled its secret weapon, the 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor with a sensor size of 1 over 1.3 inches. And this new sensor will be exclusive to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, it's a whole new and more powerful sensor than any other 200 megapixel on the market right now. And also it will be the fastest 200 megapixel that can capture up to 15 photos in just 1 second. So let's talk about what this new sensor will give to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Just like the ISOCELL HP3 sensor, this new sensor will also be packed with Tetra 2 pixel, which is Samsung's new pixel binning technology. And this means besides the full 200 megapixel, this new sensor can capture 50 megapixel images with 1.2 microns pixels and 12.5 megapixel with 2.4 microns pixel size to capture quality images at varying light levels. Like under dim light conditions, the pixel will be binned together to form large pixel for a 50 megapixel or 12.2 megapixel, which will give better photos in low light conditions. Thanks to this 200 megapixel sensor, which will also give a bump to handset video capturing capabilities. And now finally the Galaxy S23 Ultra can capture 8K videos at 30 fps compared to the 24 fps on S22 Ultra. While we will also see a big jump from 4K at 60 fps to 4K at 120 fps. Adding more, the new 200 megapixel is equipped with dual vertical transfer gate technology. In simple words, this newer sensor will reduce overexposure, which was one of the problems in the photos taken from the S22 Ultra. So hopefully no overexposed washed out images in bright daylight. Moving forward, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera will be super fast when it comes to autofocus thanks to its super quad phase detection. So what this new technology does, that all its 200 million pixels act as focusing agents, which will surely result in better focusing even in low light conditions. And thankfully Samsung also put focus on improving the HDR performance with dual slope gain technology, which will be available in 50 megapixel mode. And through this, the sensor can take short and long exposures at the same time and so can avoid the risk of details loss. Last but not the least, with this new sensor, the Samsung will retain its legendary 100 times zoom that might get improved in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And that's it for today. Let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel sensor in the comment section below. Hang tight as there will be more to share in the coming days, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.